Because of the Airsoft FPS rules. Shotguns. No more than 400 FPS with a 15-foot minimum engagement range. SMGs. No more than 400 FPS and a 15-foot minimum engagement range. Assault rifles. No more than 400 FPS with a 15-foot minimum engagement range. LMGs. No more than 400 FPS at a 50-foot minimum engagement range. Battle rifles, semi-automatic only. No more than 450 FPS, 75-foot minimum engagement range. Bolt actions, no more than 500 FPS at 100-foot minimum engagement range. With LMGs, no quick change springs or varying rate of fire AEG. With battle rifle and bolt action rifles, you must carry a quality secondary. Any weapon under 400 FPS. Rate of fire from 350 to 400, a maximum of 20 rounds per second. At 325 to 350, no more than 35 rounds per second at a 50-foot minimum engagement range. At 300 to 325 FPS, maximum of 50 rounds per second at a 75-foot minimum engagement range. Pistols, semi and full auto, 400 FPS, no more than 15 foot minimum engagement range. Grenades, frag grenades, plastic BBs only. Smoke, cold smoke only. Stun, thunder breeze only. All guns must be chronoed at the chronograph station before they are used on the field. Each gun must be tested 5 times, and they cannot fire over the FPS limit. If it is over the FPS limit, it cannot be used. If they meet the requirements, they will be marked with tape on the end of the barrel. Battle rifles and bolt actions will be marked with yellow tape. Full auto LMGs will be marked with yellow tape. Referee can re-chrono anyone at any time if they are suspected of not meeting these rules. If no tape is on the gun, they will be called out of the game immediately. No camping zone rules. This only applies to the no camping zone mode. No more than 350 FPS and only semi-automatic only. Again, these are no camping zone rules only.